Well, in this video I am going to talk a little about the problem that the BMW E39, E46, E60 and E90 have with the little light that appears in the airbag attention box. If this sensor fails in the E39, E38 and others models, it is located under the armrest. You have to disassemble the entire console where the armrest is located, lift it to access it, if you cannot erase errors. We already know that you have to change the part, well, a fault that usually appears in the frame, and we put it in the diagnostic machine and the co-pilot seat mat sensor failure appears. It is a very common failure in these cars when they have their time. Well, there are people who mistakenly believe that changing the sensor that goes in the part of under the seat the problem is solved, but the problem is not with that sensor, it is with the mat itself that is attached. So there are people who choose to bypass it. I think that is a mistake. I know that it is worth repairing it like €500, but safety comes first. There are a few tutorials out there that I have seen on the internet that what they do is that they detect that there is always a seated passenger, so if you have an accident, what they do, even if there is no one in the passenger seat, the airbag will explode, because it will to detect. But I already told you that the ideal is to take and change that piece for your safety. Come on, a greeting, and I show you some photos of the sensor. This is from an E39 530D. Here you can see the reference in case you have to change it. Well, this is all a greeting, and if you like it, you can give me a like or subscribe to my channel. A greeting to all.